Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple rice water formula. And all you'll need is a container, rice, water, and optional, your favorite essential oil. Okay, so the first two slides, I'm just going to show you guys the benefits of rice water itself. And as you can see in this slide, it says that it restores hair's pH balance, it nourishes hair follicles to promote hair growth, and it improves hair conditions like in general. So in the next 3 slides, I'm going to give you step-by-step information on how to make your rice water. Step 1, you're going to rinse your rice with clean water just so you can remove dirt and other impurities. Then you're going to place 1 cup of rice into the bowl and add about 2 or 3 cups of water to the rice. Swirl it around until the water becomes cloudy white in color. Okay, step 2, you're going to strain out the rice water into a clean container, and then you're going to leave it at room temperature for a day or 2 until it slightly sours and starts to ferment. So on this step, you can either leave your rice in your water for that day or 2 and then strain it out after a day or 2, or you can strain it out before. I usually strain it out after a day or 2 just because I want the water to soak up like all the nutrients. Okay, so step 3 is optional, and it's to add a few drops of your favorite essential oil just to help it prevent the water from smelling, because the rice water can really give off a really bad smell once it's fermented. So adding your essential oil just helps like mild down this smell.